Hey guys, in this video, we will look into Claude skills for Copilot Studio and we will install it using the terminal and then we will clone an agent from Copilot Studio and use Claude skill where there's three agents which you can use to build your topics and triggers, and you also have another agent that you can use to test. We'll look into all of this, but we will install it step by step into your if you want to do it on folder level, we can do that. And then from there, we will make changes into your agent, which is in Copilot Studio, straight from VS Code. So watch to the end and I will show you how to do this step by step. So the skill is here and we will install it in the shell. So if you're wondering how to start, let's just do this from scratch. So what I will do now is I will just open my projects folder where I have all my yeah, what do I say, my developer projects, and here I have procure path Copilot Studio. So this is the one I will be using. I have an agent called procure path, which is for procurement. I will just do this quickly, open it in terminal, and once you're here, you just do Claude. Given that you have installed Claude, if you haven't, just install it from the website, official website. So once you do this, you will be asked if you trust the folder, and then from there we will be using some. We will be using. Let's see here. We will be using this to install the plugin. So the plugin is in the marketplace. You have to add the plugin and then install it. So let's just go here. I will do this with you. Simple plugin, and it's successfully installed. I will just do this too. Plugin Copilot Studio, and what I want to do, I will just install for this repo local scope, and that's done. You have installed it, but what we have to do now is look for plugins, and for you to be able to get automated what do I say here, updates, you have to make sure you come in here and enable them if they're not enabled by default. I had to do it the first time I added it, so that's how you do it. Now you have installed it for the folder, which is the folder I just showed you, and that's the ProcurePath Copilot Studio folder. So I will open this in VS Code, and you will see that there is a Claude code, Claude here, which has the settings, and the settings is that the skill is on. So let's jump into VS Code and open this. So I have it here, and if you're new to VS Code, just open folder and find the folder that you will be working on. So I have mine here in VS Projects, and I will quickly find ProcurePath Copilot Studio, open it, and once you're here, you have Claude, the .claude here, and you have the settings. As you can see here, Copilot Studio skill for Copilot Studio is true. So if this is your first time, you have to go to extensions and find Copilot Studio extension, and install this, because this will let you connect to your agents in the cloud. So here I have already installed. I don't need this here, and I will clone the agent. Before doing this, you also have to log into your workspace. So I have my workspaces here. You can see the different here. You can see the different environments. So I will just choose, let's say here, the default environment, and choose an agent from there. So you can either do it from here, or once you're, yeah, let's see here, I have the procure path, but let's clone it. And once we've cloned the agent, you will be able to see the files in here. So that's procure path. Okay. And I just want to move one folder up, select folder. And now it's syncing the agent down to my VS Code, and you will see the files that will come up here in some seconds. So what you see here now, let me take this down. This is the local changes that I've done here. The remote changes that are not done here, of course, but here, this is where you push the changes. You can push from here, because apply changes, and you can get changes. If someone changes something in the web, then you can do it from here, get the updates from here. But now we are interested in the files. So here is the setting files. Copilot Studio skill is true. And you have the topics, you have procure path here. This is a topic which I just have auto detect language. And here is the knowledge sources. I can see the SharePoint sites and the topics here. So the change order topic is YAML, and you can see what's in there. So without wasting any time, let's just look into what we can do with this agent. So, or not agent, but this skill. So now we've installed it, we've enabled auto update and the one you see here. And now we've created the agent in Copilot Studio. I can show you how my agent looks in Copilot Studio. This is the procure path agent with a description and yeah, renewal, change order, all of these are topics. So I have the topics with, let's see, tools. I think there's no tools, they're just topics. And from there, we clone the agent. That's done already. We've cloned the agent there. And we do have these three specialized agents, which are the Copilot Studio, Author, and this one will create and edit the YAML, which is the topics, actions, and knowledge. And then you have the Copilot Studio test, tests the published agents, and that does the evaluation analysis for you. And then you have debug issues. This will what is happening in your topic, so you can troubleshoot the errors in your agents. So let's now we are ready to code. Escape this, and we are in our agent here. And I will try to call this Copilot Studio Author agent. Let's see, Copilot Studio Author. Yeah, as you can see here, I will ask the Copilot Studio Author. Let's do this. Yeah, there, Copilot Studio Author to explain the topics in my agents and suggest solutions to enhance the quality. This is just to show you how it works. I don't want to edit. Let's just plan. And Claude, I'm using Claude Sonnet in this context, but you can use whatever model you want, and it will generate answers for you. So you choose whatever you want. But in this case, let's see, that did not work. So I will just jump over to Claude Code, and this usually works. So not ask before edits. I just want to plan mode, and let's see what happens here. Yeah. So the problem I had here, guys, was that I had a space here, and that made it impossible to see the different agents here. So you have the Copilot Studio Author agent, you have added the agents, you can test with this one, you can add a node, you can run tests, add adaptive card. So there is a lot of different agents to try in here, but let's do the other and in plan mode. So now Cloud Code is running, and we will get some suggestions in our planning mode. So you can see here, invoke Copilot. This is a Explorer. Yeah. So we will get some suggestions into how the agent is working and how we can make it better. As you can see here, the agent is basically going through each of the different topics and looking for ways to optimize, or not looking for ways, but it's just reading for now, and then it will give me suggestions. So let's see what this brings. If Claude Code is going to give me something much better than what I already have. So now the agent is planning on the enhancements. As you can see, since I'm in plan mode, it will just give me the suggestions. So let's see what this brings today, and if this is good enough actually. So for my agent here, so I got the plan, which was what I asked for. I wanted the agent to just tell me what's in the agent, Copilot Studio agent, and give me some places to fix. So as you can see, all the topics are here: change order, critical variable, bug, something is missing here. And I can change the order. What is wrong with this? Let's see. Bug, new cost center field is topic instead of topic. Yeah. So corrupt state on submit. So this is kind of good to have, because it flags already problems that I wouldn't otherwise have seen until testing the agent. So this is an example of how you can use this, and there are many other ways to use it. I saw on the official pages that they used an Excel file to just create some agents, but this is one way to use it, where you can use it as an assistant to help you troubleshoot and help you fix. So if I auto accept this, it will fix whatever it's flagged here. So I want to keep planning, but I don't want to use all of my tokens here. So I will stop here in this video. But this is how you install it, and this is how you use it in VS Code for my case. And as you can see here, this was, I can just show you. You can see this, the first one here, successfully added skills for Copilot Studio. You should also get this on your fast message. So guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you haven't hit the like and the subscribe button,